Disappear, transform in the shadows. When your life is too visible, it becomes vulnerable to judgment, comparison, and distraction. Disappearing, working quietly, privately, away from public opinion, creates the space required for real transformation. In the shadows, you gain freedom to rebuild yourself without interference. The process begins with silence. Stop announcing your intentions. Stop sharing your plans with family, friends, and colleagues. The more you talk, the more you weaken execution. Learn to catch your thoughts before they become speech. Become a mystery. When others' opinions stop mattering, your own finally becomes powerful. Reprogram your mindset. Most people do not think about you as much as you believe. Replace the desire for validation with a single question. Would the future version of me be proud of this action? This shift puts you back in control. Hide your plans. Hide your progress. Early victories are fragile. Exposing them too soon kills momentum. Use the urge to show off as fuel to push further. Stay in ghost mode. Growth, failures, and breakthroughs belong to you alone. Transformation requires pain. Physical strain, mental fatigue, and emotional lows are unavoidable. Do not run to others for comfort. Endure, rebuild, and rise. Rock bottom becomes the foundation of a stronger identity. Set clear targets. Define exactly what you want, physically, financially, professionally. Then structure your life around achieving those targets. Every hour must serve the goal. Track your actions, refine your habits, and build your new identity through relentless daily execution. Eventually, you reprogram your mind to thrive in the shadows. And when the transformation is complete, something unexpected happens. You no longer feel the need to reappear. You've built a life you prefer: quiet, focused, powerful, and self-directed. This is the purpose of disappearing. Not to hide from the world, but to build a version of yourself that no longer needs its approval.